So if you've been watching my channel for a while, you'll know I do these funny little videos where I show you what I've been wearing. And this is a really funny little video because there's just 4 outfits, and to be honest, they're nothing very spectacular. But for full disclosure, I'm going to show you the last 4 outfits, or 4 things I put together to wear at home using my February capsule. Isn't that exciting? Yeah, right, okay. Anyway, if you're let's just roll on. February capsule outfits last week. So the first look in that last week of February that I want to show you is taking the woolen dress that I put in my capsule, and I wore it with navy blue leggings. And just to finish it off, little brown suede ankle boots. And actually I really was very pleased with this look, very pleased with this look. I wasn't going anywhere. I put the ankle boots on just to show you because we're in lockdown. I stayed at home. So basically it was the leggings and it was the dress. But I actually really do like navy and grey. And if you look at my March capsule, I've actually taken that theme through into March, the navy and grey. But also this woolen dress, it's quite a thick knit, and leggings felt the right weight of leg wear to wear with the dress rather than tights, because I wasn't going out. If I was going out, I might have worn tights and long boots, but staying in, leggings, perfect. Another day I took some really thick X-work trousers, thick, wide-legged, very heavy duty. They would be good for walking to work in the snow, that kind of thickness trousers. And we were having cold weather, we had snow, we had, it was very icy out, and I wanted something to keep on warm, to keep on indoors. So I wore these wide-legged X-work trousers and added my camel coloured Brave Soul sweater with some little buttons down the side of the neckline, and that was another day of last week. And I didn't add a necklace. In neither looks actually did I add a necklace. I didn't with the dress. I didn't want to detract from the actual plain casual nature of the look, leggings and a dress, woolen dress, knitted dress. I didn't want to detract with jewellery. So, and the second look where I'm using the camel sweater with the buttons down it, I didn't want to detract from the buttons as the accessory to on the jumper by using a necklace. So I used dangly earrings instead, big hoop earrings, because I think they're quite casual. I've said that before, I find big hoops casual. Another day I took those blue leggings and I used a very casual grey, there you go, navy and grey again, grey top that is a right length to be a tunic to wear with leggings. I thought this was great, and actually this particular day was a little bit warmer, so I was able to use plimsolls or white trainers and add that. So what the white, the blue and the grey, I think is a nice combination. Very casual, and I actually don't think I wore jewellery again this particular day. I was having a very downbeat week, to be honest. I think a very downbeat week, maybe because it's just got to the end of the month and I was running out of outfit ideas. And I promised you yeah, I know, don't hold your breath. These are very downbeat outfits. But then I took that same grey tunic top, and this time I wore it slightly tucked in. I used some flared jeans and I put on a long line cardigan, and that was it. So full disclosure, that's what I wore the last week of February. And roll on March, and I'll see you all another outfit, and this will probably be more real outfits. But anyway, hopefully this has given you some ideas of, if you're thinking about, okay, what am I going to wear Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday? Here you go, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays laid out for you. I'll see you all in another outfit.